Hey guys, you want viral Holi photos? Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more updates. First, we open Google Gemini application and click on Create Image option. And then click on plus icon. We open gallery and add one photo. Then paste prompt in a box and click send button. And wait for second, your amazing viral Holi photos are ready. Don't forget to subscribe. Similarly, you can try all prompts one by one. Prompts link in video's description. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe.